Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So I am coming on recording from my webcam. Why? I've been MIA for a while, but the reason is because my camera fell in the sink. I was in the kitchen cooking, and I was filming a video. What was I making? I was making for my grandbaby. I was trying to do some corn dogs. That's what it was. And I accidentally tapped it and it just went in the sink. Instinct was to immediately grab it and put it in a bowl of rice, and I did that, but it still didn't help. My camera's done with. So yeah, so back to basics, right? Because I'm too cheap to go and buy me a new one. But I wanted to show you guys, I have finished my, let's see if I can show that better. I finished my wig, and this is hair from the Fifth Element Company, and I'm going to try to get a close-up on that so you can see. So yeah, this is a 16, 18, and 20 inch. The frontal is from Intense Beauty, and the frontal was a 14 inch straight. And so this is all raw Indian hair, and I've had this pin curled since today's Saturday. I did this like Thursday night. Sure did. And it's been pin curled ever since, but I'm gonna take one of them down just so y'all can see it and how these curls look. Did y'all see that? So I'm hoping that it's going to keep the curl. This hair does hold curls very well either way, but I didn't want tight curls. I found my curling iron that had a bigger barrel, and I used that to curl it. So I'm really interested and excited to see how this is gonna look. Just, keeping it pin curled. I don't know if it'll make it stay any longer. But yeah. So I got it pin curled all the way over with the C in the hair. So we shall see what she looks like. Anyway, it's been a while, and I just kind of wanted to come on and explain myself so you guys will know where I've been. I haven't used this webcam in so long because it buffers in and buffers out, and it's constantly trying to find itself. So, bye y'all.